Well, I don't remember exactly when it started, but it's been at least 2 years. I waited because I really didn't think there was anything that could be done. I would thought it was just part of getting old. I was experiencing a lot of pain in the lower hip and upper thigh of my leg. Very disruptive to my life because I couldn't stand at the sink for more than 2 or 3 minutes to do anything before I had to go sit down for a while till the pain lessened. Then I would go back and do something else. So it took forever to do anything. I couldn't really push a sweeper really well to do the floors or anything like that, and very frustrating. Oh, I wasn't walking my dogs like I should. I didn't get them out. I was slow getting up in the morning, getting out, even getting dressed and getting out just to do the normal morning chores. And if they were barking too much, the dogs were barking too much or something, and I need to go after them, it would take me forever to get there because I'd have to stop and lean. It's a good thing they have grocery carts in the grocery store because that's what I leaned on to get through the grocery store. No, because I didn't have any idea what I needed to do other than sit down when it hurt. I went to PT. I was the idiot that fell up the steps, not down the steps. So I went to PT after I hurt one knee. And they did a lot of exercises for me on that knee, and I no longer needed to walk with the crutches or with a cane. But I didn't know what exercises you could do for the back of my leg and my thigh. I had no clue. I sure would, happily. And even if I had to bring them up myself, if I could get them that far. There's nothing to be nervous about. It amazes me that that would be something that would hold somebody back. It's going to make you feel much better. There shouldn't be anything that would upset you or anything like that. Everything's explained step by step. The friendliness of everybody and helpfulness. If I needed to stop, there was no problem. If I needed water, they get it for you. Just kind of people you want to be around.
Did it help you to have someone like guide you along because you didn't know what you were doing?
Definitely, definitely. I think without that it would be very confusing and frustrating. But having everything given step by step and explained thoroughly helps. I just want to be able to go back and do all the things I could do. Just because I'm 80 years old does not mean I have to sit in a chair all day. And this definitely helped. I can get my dogs out and walk now. I used to walk about 2 miles a day. I'm not sure I'll quite get 2 miles, but at least I can get out and walk around the block with the dogs. And actually, I'll take one at a time. I have to take one at a time and come back and take the other one. So I'll get more in that way.